Are you a homeowner here in Gozo and you want your home to go greener? We are Green Gozo team and we help your house to be more sustainable.
There are many places in Gozo that are in need of renovation and found themselves in a terrible state, like this one, or this one.
So, what is our product? First of all, as you can see behind me, this wall is not painted very well. We provide sustainable paint, which is much healthier and greener and better for our country. So, more products of ours are low flow plumbing and water reservoirs. What can you do with these types of products? First of all, you can save a lot of water, use it in emergencies, and it's practically the best thing for your water system here in Gozo.
Another service we provide is our window and installation upgrades. These small but effective adjustments to your home will help keep your house cool in the summer and warm in the winter.
And also, we provide the solar panels and photovoltaic panels that will reduce your energy cost with clean and renewable energy. Also, we provide smart thermostats that will adjust to your habits and keep you comfortable all day.
So how does this work? After you can contact us, we will come to your house and we'll make a plan of adjustments that we can make to your house. After that, we execute these plans and then you will enjoy a much more greener home.
So if you want to contact us and get and renovate your house and be greener and more sustainable here in Gozo, contact us at GoGreenGozo@gmail.com.
Yeah.
Go Green Gozo!
Remember the 3 G's. Go Green Gozo.